have another great product to review. It's a Fro hair dryer.
Yeah, professional hair dryer. It says Paris Professional, made by JINRI. Go ahead and open that box. 1875 watts.
Wow.
It has an ion generator. It's supposed to help soften your hair.
Ooh, look at this. This is nice.
Flip the hair dryer. Let's take a look at it. Well, I want to turn it. There you go. Made by JINRI.
JINRI.
Okay. Maybe look at the power settings you got there. Turn it this way. Yeah, it's got like 6 different power settings and a cool blast. Alright, what attachments come with it?
It comes with this.
Wow, we haven't seen one of these before. Now this is to help add volume to your hair. It's for people with hair like you. I don't know if you could do much with it. Your hair is very straight.
Yeah.
But if you have hair that can be set, this will add volume to it. Curls like yeah, it attaches right.
Yeah, touch.
Right there.
There we go.
Yeah, it just pushes right in. Wow. We'll have to try it anyways. And I believe you have a concentrator.
Now this one.
Go ahead and stick that on. It'll concentrate the heat. And this hair dryer has infrared properties. It will dry your hair quicker than a normal hair dryer. Go ahead and turn that. There you go. It's a concentrator. Well, tell you what. Best thing to do is to test it out. Oh, I know in the back there it has. You can clean the filter. A lot of hair dryers, they do not have that, where you can unscrew it and clean the filter. That is a great thing to have. Let's test it out. Let's, why don't you go have a shower and we'll see how good this hair dryer works. Okay, our lovely model has washed her hair and she's ready to blow dry it. Go ahead. Okay, we're going to demonstrate how the other attachment would work. I don't think it's going to do anything with our lovely model's hair. It's just so straight. But this is a volumizer.
Let's just try.
For other hair types, this would add volume to your hair. Okay, so this is our demonstration of the JINRI hair dryer. Very powerful unit. We'll put a link in the description below where you can purchase this on Amazon. Thanks for watching.
Bye.